Did you know a lake once killed 1,700 people in their sleep without making a sound? On August 21, 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon became a silent killer. This volcanic crater lake had been sitting on a magma chamber for decades, slowly building up dissolved carbon dioxide. That night, something triggered a catastrophic eruption. Maybe a landslide, maybe an earthquake. 1.6 million tons of carbon dioxide exploded from the lake's depths in a massive invisible cloud. The gas was heavier than air, flowing down valleys at 45 miles per hour like a river of death. It suffocated everything in its path, completely silent, completely invisible. The next morning, entire villages were found in eerie silence. Families dead in their beds, livestock collapsed in fields. No visible injuries, peaceful expressions like they were sleeping. But their blue lips told the real story: asphyxiation. The carbon dioxide had preserved their bodies perfectly, creating a haunting scene of mass death. Today, degassing systems prevent similar disasters, but other African crater lakes still pose the same deadly threat.